In this today lecture, we go to see about the transient response of RC series circuit with the sinusoidal input. So consider this a series RC circuit with switch S is closed when time t equal to 0. Here V of t which is equal to V into sine omega t. Now you write the loop equation around this circuit. Okay, so that V of t which is equal to R into I of t plus 1 by C integral of I into dt which is equal to V into sin omega t. Okay, now you take the Laplace transform for the corresponding equation and it looks like this R into I of s plus 1 by C into I of s divided by s plus q of 0 divided by s which is equal to V into omega divided by s square plus omega square. So for this circuit I consider the initial voltage across the capacitor is 0, so that this term should be eliminated and the final equation is in the format. Okay, I of s into r plus 1 by cs which is equal to v omega divided by s square plus omega square. Now I of s which is equal to v omega divided by s square plus omega square into 1 plus s into rc. So for our simplicity, I rewrite this equation in the format of s plus a. So then only for the inverse Laplace transform it is easy for us. Okay, so that I take rc outside, so that it is replaced by 1 s plus 1 divided by rc, and this s square plus omega square is replaced by s plus j omega into s minus j omega, which is we seen from the previous lectures, right? RL series circuit with the sinusoidal input. Okay, so therefore I rewrite this equation like this. Okay, are you clear? So now I go for partial fraction method in order to take the inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so this is the final format. So now we should find the value of a1, a2, a3. First of all we should find the value of a1. So put s is equal to j omega, so this term and this term will cancel each other. So if you substitute j omega here, it is 2j omega, it is j omega plus 1 by rc, and you rearrange this equation, it looks like this: rc divided by 2 into 1 plus j omega rc. For finding the value of a2, substitute s is equal to minus j omega, so that this term and this term should cancel each other. So minus j omega you substitute here, it is equal to minus 2j omega and minus j omega plus 1 by rc, and you rearrange these equations, the final value should be equal to rc divided by 2 into 1 minus j omega rc. The minus is behind. Okay, so now to find out the value of a3, s is replaced by minus 1 by rc, so that this term and this term should cancel each other. So you substitute the value of rc here, so it is this two term is replaced by s square plus omega square. Okay, so therefore s is replaced by minus 1 by rc, so therefore 1 by r square c square plus omega square, which is given here. Okay, so now you substitute this a1, a2, a3 in the I of s equation and looks like this. Okay, for this equation this term is taken as constant. Okay, similarly for this equation it is constant. Here also this term should be taken as constant. Okay, so if I take the inverse Laplace transform for this equation, this term is replaced by e power plus j omega t, and this is replaced by e power minus j omega t, and this term is replaced by e power minus 1 by rc into t. So all other constant terms are kept outside. Okay, so if I take this, it should be the final one. Okay, so now this equation is replaced by like this. So in this previous equation, listen, in this previous equation you take this outside, take this two outside, and the final equations looks like this. Okay, I go for some modification, that's all. So now from these equations it is rewrite like this. So I take this r plus 1 by j omega c is taken as z into e power minus j theta, and this r minus 1 by j omega c is replaced as z into e power j theta. So that z is equal to square root of r square plus 1 by omega square c square. So that this term is replaced by z. Okay, and this is replaced by z into e power minus j theta, and this term is replaced by z into e power plus j theta. If I take this e power minus j theta above the fraction, it looks like this. Okay, it is the final expression after putting these values, and if I rewrite this equation, it look like this. So we know that this e power jx minus e power minus jx divided by 2j is replaced by sin x. So instead of x, here the term omega t plus theta is present, so therefore it is sin of omega t plus theta. If I take the inverse Laplace transform, it should like this. Okay, this is nothing but my I of t. Okay, from this result it is clear the current in the RC series circuit is lead the voltage by an angle theta. Okay, if I put r equal to 0, okay, then the theta should be equal to 90 degree. It shows it is the perfect capacitor, so that it leads the voltage by 90 degree. Okay, so the current in the capacitor leads the voltage by exactly 90 degree. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubts or clarifications, post on my comment section. Thank you.